For over 20 years, All Legal Media has been assisting law firms with trial and litigation support. Recognized nationally and internationally, All Legal Media has scholarship in many courtroom cases. Working on the defense of a major automobile industry for over 9 years, and with several national insurance companies, we have the experience, knowledge, and expertise to assist you with your case. From the discovery phase through the entire trial, we work and assist you every step of the way. Our first order is to import all of your evidence into a computer. This computer is specially designed with trial support software to access any document, picture, or deposition within a split second at trial. Each exhibit is given an identity number and barcode for accurate and precise recall. The exact page can quickly be recalled through the use of a barcode pen or with a simple keystroke. This system makes order and availability of any document, along with the capability to highlight a portion of the page, expand a paragraph to the size of the page, place a document beside another document, and then pull sections out and draw on them. All Legal Media also prepares and edits portions of the deposition for impeachment or instant access with the all-new MPEG-4 technology. We'll also set up the courtroom to your exact specifications, providing you with a high luminance projector, HD flat-screen LCD TVs, a document camera, a computer-based laptop, complete with surround sound for the courtroom, and an All Legal Media professional is with you every step of the way for assistance. By utilizing All Legal Media's services, we can expedite the trial proceedings with 100% accuracy. You can focus your entire energy on the case at hand, while leaving the technical expertise to us. All Legal Media has the resources and the practical experience to represent your case at the level it needs to be addressed. With our dynamic presentation of your evidence, we're able to link together all of the elements to build your case quickly and effectively. Tip the scales in your favor. Please call All Legal Media today for your free consultation.